Alright, so I got my king up. Just nailed these couple little blocks on to hold it against the 2x while I nailed the bottom. Looks like the line was just about right. Now down here at the bottom it's a vaulted hip, so I split it a little, but got the bottom planing down for a pine ceiling that's coming later. Works pretty good. Now I just gotta add the ridge on, put some hips on, and finish it up. Alright, so I got the ridge on. It's good and level. Everything's nice and straight. Next, I'm gonna try and get these hips on. They're about 24 foot long, but I think I can handle them. We'll see.